Good morning, everyone. This is Steve from StormySky Rail Productions. We are here in Fostoria, Ohio at the railroad park enjoying a Sunday morning with a couple other YouTube subscribers. Here we have
Bruce from BHIL3 channel on YouTube, and I'm also here with Jeff. We're doing a 4-day rail fanning adventure.
And I'm Planes, Trains, and Boats Online on YouTube.
We'd like you guys all to check out their channels and hit the subscribe button and watch their videos and hit the like and then comment also. So we're here for the whole week in Ohio, and we ended up meeting up with these guys ahead of time, making arrangements. So we're gonna go ahead and collaborate some videos together and see what happens, just like we have done in the past with some of our viewers. So we'd like everybody to check out the video on our channel and hit that subscribe button, hitting the like, and feel free to comment. This is Steve from StormySky Rail Productions. Enjoy.
Bruce from BHIL3. We're hoping for lots of trains today.
Jeff, Planes, Trains, and Boats Online.
I want to thank you guys a lot for arranging the meetup. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.